Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Ireland. If you need any product, just visit these websites. Let's see this apartment and the tools this lady is using in her beautiful flat. This is the package. This is the first
Hello. 我要睡觉了。
small length. This is a plastic folding washing machine. Also dry your clothes using this machine. This is a box where you can organize your cutlery. We've got this box where you can save your wipes. This is a bag. You can put blankets and sheets. This is a plastic closet where you can organize your shoes. We've got this box you can use for it's very cool. It makes the task easier and fast. We've got this sponge you can use for cleaning your sneakers. We've got this plastic shelf.
关灯，打开灯光，
Got this
亮一点，再亮一点，
lamp
朝暗一点，
you
暗一
can
点，
use
关灯，我回来啦，我要睡觉了。
in your bedroom. This is an organizer you can use for your clothes. And in your closet. We've got this map you can use for cleaning windows and mirrors. We've got this folding mop you can use for the floor. We've got this small plastic shelf again you can use for organizing your shoes. This is an electric file you can use for your wheels. This plastic trash bin. We've got these items you can use for small items. You can also use for water bottles. This use for your hair dryer. Mobile phone holder. We've got this you can use for compressing plastic bags. Use for cutlery. Cereals. Plastic cutting board. You've got this oil brush. There are many more products and gadgets in this video. This is plastic you can use for your feet. This is another apartment and other gadgets and products.
指纹识别成功。指纹识别成功。